What's up, guys? Welcome back to episode 2 of International Menu. My name's Anthony, you already know that, and this is my friend Ricard.
Yeah.
Ricard is from Spain. Well, I'll let you introduce yourself.
Yeah, exactly. I'm from Spain, actually, more concrete. I'm from Barcelona. And yeah, I'm just traveling around and I found this amazing guy. Yeah, and we started to today we made like a nice meal from a typical meal from Spain.
Yeah.
It's called Tortilla de Patatas.
Okay, so explain to everyone what's in this meal. This is a cooking food show.
Yeah.
People want to know. Last time was like a test episode with Sam and I, but we want to know, Ricard, what is in this? What are the ingredients? Kind of go through it, let everybody know.
Yeah, so this is very simple food, simple meal. It doesn't require a lot of ingredients. We had to use like 6 eggs, a potato, 2 potatoes, and half an onion. The plan is, the setup is just we break the eggs and we just make an omelette out of it.
Yeah.
Just prepare the omelette to put in the pan, but just prepare it. And afterward, we cut the potatoes, we cut the onion, and we start frying them. We start frying the potatoes and the onion.
How long do you fry it for?
It could be like from 10 to 15 minutes.
Okay.
And afterwards, when they are like soft, tender, and firm,
Soft, tender, and firm.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
we pour the preparation of the omelette on the pan along with the potatoes and the onion. So it creates like yeah,
It's an omelet, we got it.
exactly, it's an omelette. And as you will see in the video, you have to flip the omelette because it has to be cooked from the both sides. And
Let's show everyone how you flipped it, okay?
Yeah. But
Oh! Well, not bad.
Hooray! And that's how Ricard flipped it. We had a little bit of a mess, we cleaned it up, it's okay. But should we dig in?
Yeah, let's dig it in.
Let's dig in. Let's start eating and then we'll continue the conversation.
Exactly.
Okay, so this is the only knife. So we're just gonna...
2 forks or knife? What way?
Okay, how should I cut it? What's the best way?
Yeah, just yeah.
I'll give it to you.
Like a
You're the
pizza.
master chef.
Like a
pizza.
pizza.
Alright.
So basically, is
Alright.
you can make like this.
Okay.
So it's eating like a pizza.
Yeah, yeah.
And actually, in Spain we don't add any sauce on it. But yeah, this Canadian guy just told me that he wanted to add some spicy sauce.
I want hot sauce. I love hot sauce.
So yeah.
Okay, let's dig in.
Let's dig in.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here we go. So I have another question for you. You are from Barcelona, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, you go. I would go with my fingers too. Let's get right into it. So you're from Barcelona. If anyone's traveling to Barcelona, what are some things you recommend that they do there?
Actually, from my point of view, I will recommend you not to go to the touristic areas.
Okay.
Just a mess, all people from everywhere, but just too much people. So I recommend to visit like the other parts of Barcelona, like the little districts. There are some
Okay.
districts that are really cool.
Can you name a specific district that you think people would enjoy going to?
It's called Gracia. It's a very, it's like, you feel like you are in the town when you are in this district. So, yeah, it's a very quiet district and also it's amazing, the architecture and everything. So.
By the way, my first piece here, incredible,
Yeah.
amazing, very good. Actually, my mom used to cook me something similar to this when I was younger, but she would use like pasta noodles too, and put it inside there with the egg, and then make it kind of crunchy too.
Oh my god!
Yeah, it's good. But a little bit of Italian added addition.
Yeah.
But today we're focusing on Spain. In Barcelona, I've been to Barcelona, and Gaudi,
Yeah, exactly.
amazing.
Yeah.
Amazing.
And they're now decided to, because it's been like 20, 30 years that this family is building, and the Gaudi died,
Yeah.
so they didn't know how to finish it and stop building, and they didn't know if continue the Gaudi version or just finish like simple version. So it's been 20 years like this fighting over like the more modern people wanted to finish, the other ones want to keep the plans of Gaudi.
Yep.
So now they decided that they will finish as Gaudi wanted. But this requires to destroy some part of the system.
Of course, yeah.
So let's see what happens.
Okay, we'll see. And Funny question for you now.
Yeah.
I'm going to say a phrase in English,
Yeah.
and I want you to translate it to Spanish so our viewers can learn a little bit of Spanish for you. Okay?
Okay, cool.
Can you translate the phrase, your feet stink?
My feet stink?
Yes. How do you say that in Spanish?
Yeah. We say tus pies huelen.
Tus pies?
Tus pies huelen.
Tus pies huelen.
No, actually you can say better. It's like tus pies apestan.
Tus pies apestan.
It's like saying your fucking your fucking feet is fucking smell.
Tus pies apestan.
Tus pies
Tus pies
apestan.
apestan.
Yeah,
Tus
exactly.
pies apestan.
We have this this wavy pronunciation.
Yeah. It's a very beautiful language. Sam just dropped us off a bottle of wine and a couple of cups here.
Thanks, Sam.
Sam's cooking some Indian food in the back.
Yeah.
Not Norwegian. I don't really know what's going on.
Am I Norwegian though?
Have a seat, my friend. Ricard, also tell the viewers as well, what are you doing here in Australia?
First of all, I came here because I quit my job and I wanted to travel a little bit.
What were you doing? What was your job?
My job it was like hospitality, but actually I'm a licensed programmer. I code, but I don't want to stay all my life in the computer, like sitting down in the chair in the
Yeah.
office. So I decided to move a little bit, discover myself, and to check out what's more of me.
Yeah, cool. Discover more if you discover more in the world. Here's a question for you because I know this, but the viewers don't. You do something really cool. You did it in Belgium, you said.
Oh yeah.
I want you to tell everyone this story that you were doing in Belgium because I think this is the coolest thing ever. I get really inspired by him and I really want him to put it on video. So I want you to tell the viewers, what were you doing in Belgium?
So I have a stage of my life where I was like performing on the streets. I was like doing kind of clown, like a mime. Yeah, exactly. I was my face was painted like with extravagant clothes, and I was like following the people, messing with them, using sounds. I don't know. It was really cool. It was like. Yeah, still performing.
Yeah, awesome.
So I joined some festivals around Belgium and doing like giant bubbles, juggling, and yeah, it was really fun.
So cool. Yeah, I'm super inspired by that because I think I'm a funny guy at times, and I think I'm good at entertaining like that. But when I saw his Instagram or his Facebook, and he was doing miming stuff, and the people in his face and everything, I was like, man, this is really cool. Really inspired by that. So hopefully, we'll have a video of Ricard on St. Kilda Beach, making bubbles for kids and juggling and doing some fun stuff because I think that'd be really cool. Man.
Yeah, now summer is coming, so it will be perfect.
Yeah, I think it'd be really cool.
So I will push myself into doing that because it's been a long time I don't do that, but
Yeah.
I'm eager to try it again. So.
I hope you do, man.
Yeah.
And what do you do for work here in Australia? You're working here, yeah?
Yeah,
What do you do for work?
I'm a barista. I work in a cafe making coffees, latte art, and these kind of things. I'm still learning, but yeah,
Yeah, cool.
artistic stuff. You know?
Yeah. Okay, and I guess one little last piece here. Anyone who's thinking about going traveling, coming to Australia, or going on a backpacking trip or something like that, do you have any advice you can give them from your personal experience of your travels?
I can just give an advice. Sometimes I don't follow this advice, but one of this advice is just forget everything you've been, forget everything you are in the country you are. Just start like traveling, not thinking about the past, not thinking about your country, just traveling, and just everything will come. You know, you will find friends, you will find cool things to do. You will just like I don't know, be improvise all the time. It's what
Awesome.
It's my advice.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. And if people want to follow you on social media, what's your Instagram, Facebook?
Yeah, my Instagram is very simple. You can find it here.
Awesome. Yeah, I got you.
And yeah, just follow me if you want. That's cool.
Yeah, cool. Okay, and something maybe you want to ask the audience. Any question about them, or maybe to figure out something better about you, you can ask the audience, and then hopefully in the comments they'll answer and give you some feedback, whatever you want to know. It can be anything, right? You can ask the audience anything you want. What do you want to ask them?
About
Anything. You can ask them what's your favorite kind of chocolate chip cookie, what kind of oil do you cook with, anything like that. Anything you want. Or you can go deep, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, indeed. So I would like to know. Yeah, do you like the Spanish accent or you find it sexy or you find it like very, I don't know, you cannot understand or you find it sexy?
That's funny.
And also, can you roll the R?
I like it. Ricard, thank you so much. Salud.
Salud. Salud.
All right, until next time.